In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a KDP book cover in Canva. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to of course open up Canva, and then in a separate tab, go ahead and open up this website, which is actually from Amazon, KDP, and it's called KDP Cover Calculator. Click on that, and then this is going to be very important. Go to this website, so on Amazon.com, KDP Cover Calculator. And over here, once you do that, basically it's going to allow you to enter in your book information, and then via that you'll be able to calculate dimensions. So this is going to be, of course, essential. Now, here you want to go ahead and select the binding type first, and then you want to go ahead select the interior type, which of course is up to you. You can go ahead and select the paper type again. You can go ahead and select the reading direction. You can go ahead and select the measurement units. And then you can also go ahead and select the interior trim size. So this is going to be up to you, okay? Of course, this is, according to whatever your book is looking like, you're going to have to do this according to that. So I'm going to go ahead and select this first one for this example, and I'm going to use millimeters, but of course, feel free to use inches as well, okay? Now, after you do this, you have to put in your page count. So I'm going to do, for example, let's say 50 over here, and then you can just calculate dimensions. Now over here, these are now your dimensions, and this is very important because what you first want to do is you want to download this template, which will download the template onto your computer, and I'm going to show you how we're going to use that in a few seconds. And then the first thing you want to do after this is you want to look for full cover over here. So you can see the full cover, and here is the width and the height in millimeters. So what you should do, you want to go to Canva, click on Create top left, go ahead and click on custom size down here at the bottom, and then you want to make sure the units are selected, of course, the way they are in here. So for me, it's going to be millimeters, and I'm going to copy this width in millimeters in here. There we go. And then I'm going to copy the height in millimeters as well, paste it in here. There we go. And then you can go ahead and create a new design. So just like this, it's going to start loading a bit, and then you'll be able to see, there we go, this is now the design. Now this is the first bit, and then what we also have to do is we have to put in this very template so we can go ahead and edit that. Now, of course, this is going to be done in a very easy way. You can go ahead and open up your File Explorer on your computer. So if I open this up, as you can see over here, this is the File Explorer. You're going to be able to see your paperback and something in here. So this is a zipped folder. To actually make a cover, you're going to need this template. Go ahead and you want to right click it, and you want to click extract all, and then press extract. And it's going to give you a separate folder over here. Click on that, double click it, and then you'll be able to see basically your image, which is a PNG file. It should be this middle one over here, which is what we're looking for. So if I open this up, as you can see, it's the exact same thing we were able to see earlier. Now, in here, after you do that, close this down, and then what you're going to have to do, you have to put this inside Canva. The way you do that, go to Canva over here, and then you want to pull this back up, and then you simply want to basically drag this in like this. What you can also do is you can go ahead and just upload it over here on the left. So click on Uploads, Upload Files, and select it on your computer. But what I showed you is a quicker way. So then you want to go ahead and you have to just basically resize this. So you can go ahead and drag this to the top over here, and then drag this to the bottom over here. And as you can see, everything is working perfectly as it should. Now, over here, you can also see this is now basically your book cover. And this middle part over here between these two lines is basically where you're going to have to have like the back, okay? So we're going to basically now get started. So to actually customize this, of course, you can make whatever cover you want. It's completely up to you. I'm just going to show you how to actually start this. So you want to go to Elements on the left, and you want to find something that interests you, okay? So what we're going to do over here, I'm just going to put this in as an example, and you want to actually fit this inside these borders. So over here, I'm going to fit it like this. There we go. Okay, so let's say that's in here, and then you want to go ahead and drag it to the bottom. There we go. Now the first part is done. Now, then you want to find something else that you would like to add. So, of course, it's completely up to you. You can find whatever templates in here. You can find different photos. You can, of course, do whatever you want, and you can just make that however you want it to be. Okay, so I just put that in here. So it's going to be a darker bit in the back, and I'm going to put in yet another of these recently used. There we go. This is kind of a image container you can use an image in. I'm going to make this like that as well. There we go. And then I'm going to put it to the bottom too. And then let's say I want to put something else in here. So for example, for this instance, we're gonna use something different. Let's just use, I don't know, let's say this cat over here, and I'm gonna put it in here. So let's say this is now your first bit, and of course you also have to put something inside in the middle over here. You can do whatever you want, but the easiest way is of course to just go ahead over here and to actually find some elements that can be put in here. So the easiest way would be to put in a shape. I'm going to, just for this tutorial, I'm going to actually use this one, and I'm going to give it a different color, so it's going to look a bit more prominent. There we go. And then you can just put it over here. You can make it a bit shorter like this. There we go. And then like this, it's been put in here. There we go. And then you have to put it to the very bottom over here. So just drag it down to the very bottom. And after you do that, as you can see, your cover is now, let's say, kind of ready. Of course, you can add on a different text. You can go ahead, add on headings. Hey, you can do whatever you want with that. You can customize it. I'm sure you are familiar with using Canva as of now, because it's actually very easy to use and pretty straightforward. So you can just do whatever you want over here and then create your KDP book cover this way. So customize that, and then I hope this works out well for you. Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.